I said this COVID-19 thing is a terrible thing, man. Boy, I'm gonna tell a star. People in front of my hotel just let me off, so. And now I have no work, no source of income. How am I going to take care of my family? How am I going to take care of my family? Oh boy. The only other thing I'm a good pan apart from hotel work is farming. Oh wait. When I can turn farmer, I own my own business. One good idea that, you know. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Everything Business. And today I'll be talking about sole proprietorship. I know you enjoyed the video a while ago, and so let's talk about what a sole proprietorship business is all about. So, what is a sole proprietorship business? So a sole proprietorship business is a business that is owned by one person. It is very important for you to remember that characteristic, right? That it is owned by one person. It is the simplest form of business in the world today. Yeah, so simple that even a child can do it. Sole proprietorship, the word sole means one, proprietor means owner, and therefore sole proprietor means one owner. The owner enters into business on his own, therefore he bears the entire risks of the business, and he also gets all the profits. Yes. This type of business is very easy to start, and it does not require any legal paperwork or registration. Now, there are some examples of sole proprietorship businesses, and you know them, like barbers, hairdressers, dressmakers, tailors, taxi drivers, vendors, corner shop owners, gardeners, right? These are some examples of sole proprietorship business. Now, one advantage of the sole proprietorship business is that obviously this business is very easy to start. It needs little money to start. You are your own boss, right? Like in the video before, the farmer or the gentleman, right? He wanted to operate his own business so that he can be his own boss, right? And the owner can work whenever he wants to, and the owner gets all the profit. Now, there are some limitations or disadvantages of the sole proprietorship type of business, right? One up is it is hard to get a loan, right? The owner will have to bear all the loss of the business. The owner will have to work long hours, and he will have to bear all the workload, by himself, because he's the only owner, right? Another disadvantage is that there is unlimited liability, right? And that means if the business should go bankrupt, then the owner will lose all that he has invested in the business, even his personal belongings. Wow, right? And one of the reasons why it is hard to get a loan is because this type of business, it lacks continuity, right? And that means if the owner dies, the business will die, right? So let's review. What did we learn today? We learned that a sole proprietorship business is a business with only one owner, and I would like to hasten to point out that even though the business has only one owner, the owner of the business can employ other persons to work in the business. All right, so that's an important note. Also, we looked at the advantages of sole proprietorship business. Some of them are you are your own boss, you get all the profit, and we looked at some disadvantages. Some of which are, you bear all the losses. The owner will bear all the losses, and the owner will have to work long hours. So thank you very much. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.